Welcome back. I'm going to go through how to create your online course today. So the continuation of what I did yesterday. So I'm going to take you to my website, which is educatoronlineresources.yolosite.com. There should be a link on the bottom of this video. When you get here, you can go to online resources. I've tried to organize most of the online resources. If you have any suggestions, feel free to fill out the contact or put a message on here. So today we're going to start with these 7 steps to create an online course. So the first step we want to do is we want to identify a goal. So we're going to identify a goal. So most of you have been teachers already, so you want to go through and figure out what are the goals that you would like to have your students learn. So this tells you a little bit about it. I've already got my goals already figured out, what I want, the essential outcomes for all my students. I got them. I'm a print ed teacher, so I have a national accredited standard. So I've worked on that already. So my suggestion, if you have not done that so far, you want to stop and do that. Once you finish that, you want to gather your content. So for this one, just right-clicking on it, it tells you 5 steps for gathering your e-learning projects. So you want to decide what you need, what hits your goals. Then you want to start collecting it and documenting what you collect. I suggest on a Google Doc, just write down all the stuff that you are collecting and what outcome that would go for. So you want to make sure you connect with the right people and the right assignments. So for right assignments, we have a whole bunch of things here for you. So first things first, if I scroll down, I have screen capture software. I am using Screen-O-Matic right now. But here are some subjects with open education resources, or OERs. So depending on your subject, you can find what you're looking for, you can click on it and see what kind of resources are available. That might help you think of ideas. If you want to use a virtual tour, we've got virtual tours of art museums, aquariums, and zoos, and traveling the world. So like history teachers, you can tell, and then underneath each one, it tells you kind of activities. So like for this one, take a virtual field trip. There's a lesson plan and there's also a worksheet. So you can have students do that and fill that out. And then there's also more remote learning sites here. This one's just for elementary, middle and high school, K-12, and remote learning classrooms. So you want to start gathering your content. And that is what I'm going to leave you at, because for you guys, I think this is the first step. We've identified the goals and we're gathering the content. If you need any additional help, feel free to contact me. Tomorrow I'll talk to you about making a visual outline or storyboard, and then the next day I'll do the building a prototype. Thank you.